Friends, we welcome you all in this first session of Rank Up series. All dear civil and mechanical students, the Rank Up series where we will be boosting your rank has started from today, and the first subject, the first thing that is going to be shown that me and Dheeraj sir will be taking. Guys, what is the special about this series? That apart from the gate level question, guys, this is not about 20 questions in 20 minutes. Okay, we'll be doing might be 10 questions, 15 questions, approximately 15 questions today, but they will be gate level. Apart from the questions that we are taking on YouTube, guys, we will be providing assignments on the Telegram group. And overall, approximately more than 500 questions will be solving for civil gate level and for mechanical also. A demo sample of assignment we have already shared in our Telegram groups, civil by Abhinav sir and mechanical by Dheeraj sir. Okay, that is already shown, sent along with the answers. Now we are taking some questions. Then again after that, Dheeraj sir and I will be sending you one more assignment. Okay, so overall approximately 40 questions of SOM, classwork plus assignment, then with other subjects as well. Guys, every time we have a rank up paid course in BYJU'S exam prep, where we are telling or solving the questions for all the syllabus. And those questions are handpicked such that entire syllabus is covered. But this time, there is no rank up series on the app or the paid courses. This time we are on the YouTube with the same series. Over to the super duper, the master blaster of the SOM itself, Dheeraj sir.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful introduction of this series as well as of mine. So guys, as you know, many students I have seen were doing messages. Sir, when will the rank up batch will come? So rank up batch this time have been converted to the crash course, as you know. Okay, that was also based on the request we got from last 2-3 years from the students, because they wanted theory plus numericals. So we thought, why not we shall come up with this rank up series on the YouTube. So we are going to go for 500 questions, which are going to give you a large, you can say, good number of practice questions. The list, when we search for the practice question, we are not finding them easily. And if we are finding them, we don't get good quality question with the good and correct solution. So guys, this is the benefit for you. You are going to solve the questions along with the faculties. And the questions we will be sharing with you are from the same rank up batches, which we were taking in the paid courses. And those questions will be of different variety, different types. And you will find the correct solution with the faculties. With answers, we will share them in the Telegram channels as well. So right now, I feel, sir, over to you. So first of all, sir will be starting, then I'll be coming.
Okay. One more, let me write on comment box. One more assignment will be given. Guys, one assignment we have shared in Telegram, and now this session, and after this, one more assignment will be given. Okay. So guys, this is about the scholarship test. The scholarship test is on 8th of October at 9 AM to 9 PM. Anytime in these 12 hours, you can give this scholarship test where you can get 90% discount. Then there is a workshop by Rakesh sir. 7 prime qualities to be a topper in GATE. This will be on 4th October on app at 7:30 PM. Please do register for this workshop. This is the whole schedule of our rank up series, guys. Okay, today we are taking SOM for civil and mechanical both. Then it will be environment by Richa ma'am, then soil mechanics by me, then fluid mechanics, then highway. The complete subjects will be done. Similarly for mechanical, guys, it will be SOM today, then industrial, then HMT, then fluid, then TOM. Complete will be done. And 500 questions are not ordinary 500 questions. They will be including MCQ, MSQ, NAT, and they will be gate level questions, guys. Okay. So the vision courses are available. These are our Telegram groups, civil by Abhinav sir and mechanical by Dheeraj sir, where we'll be sending you this PDF also. So guys, are you ready? Please put a heart sign on the comment box and just tell me, are you ready? We are here with the first question, guys. Now, what it is written that a circular bar of 100 mm diameter bent at right angles as shown in the figure. Okay, that is bent at right angles like this. Now here is the 20 kilonewton force. Okay, this is the circular. This my hand is also circular, and here it is 20 kilonewton force coming. Here it is 20 kilonewton force coming here. Okay, then at my shoulder, this is also 90 degree na. This is also 90 degree na. At my shoulder at circumference there is A point. Okay, this is 20 kilonewton. At my shoulder there is A point. What will be at A point? The maximum shear stress and bending stress respectively. This A point. Now, girls, this is the thing Okay, first two questions I'll be doing, then 7 to 8 Dheeraj sir will be doing, then again I'll be coming. Now this is, let me take this as a green, dirty, green. Oh no, ये तो yellow, dirty fellow होता था. Now let me take or make the free body diagram of this green. Come on yaar, mic atak raha. Hey. Okay. So this green is like this. Green is like this. Like this. And here in this green are 20 kilonewton forces coming. 20 kilonewton. Everything, this is in equilibrium. It is fixed here. It is in equilibrium. So equal and opposite reaction will be coming here. So here it will be coming 20 kilonewton for balancing, so that summation Fy is equal to 0. Okay. Summation Fy is equal to 0. This 20 is also providing movement. 20 into 2, 40. So that 20 into 2, 40 will be here. So that 20 into 2, 40 is coming. So from here, 40 opposite movement is also coming for balancing. Okay. Now let me make the free body diagram of this one. This yellow, dirty fellow. Internal force are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Internal force are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Internal force are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. This is yellow. Okay. So internal force here is upward. So here it will be downward. 20 kilonewton. And guys, if you believe it, if you see it in 3D, this movement, which is like here, so it will be like here, but it will be about the longitudinal axis. About this axis, this movement is there. How much it is? 40 kilonewton meter. Guys, bending moment and torque, both are movements. Bending moment and torque, both are movements. But suppose this is a beam, then about transverse axis, these two axes which are passing from the section, the moment about these axes is the bending moment, and the moment about this axis is torque. So this movement is about the longitudinal axis. You can see, guys, if somebody is applying me load here, then this kind of movement about my hand is a torque. If somebody is applying load here and my hand is going like this, so here it is torque about this part. Okay, if somebody is applying load here and it's moving like this, so that movement is, for this portion it is torque. For this portion it is torque. Okay. So that is a torque for this. Okay. And now here is somewhere A point. Here is somewhere A point. Now, first of all, it is asked maximum shear stress. So tau max for a solid circular thing is 16 T by pi d cube. Of course, this is T. T is 40 kilonewton meter. Diameter is also given. I'm not wasting time in calculation. From here, you will be getting 204 megapascal. From here, you are getting 204 megapascal. Okay, this is providing torque. Now bending stress is asked. So sigma is equal to m by I into y max. Okay, guys, this load is providing moment here. What is bending moment at A point? From 20 into, what is this distance? 4 meter. So 20 into 4, force into distance. This is not movement, this is torque. This is not bending moment, this is torque. So it is 80 kilonewton meter. Okay, so it is 80 upon I is pi by 64, d ki power 4, and y max is d by 2. I'm not wasting time in calculation. I'm not wasting that. I have already done. So that is 804. Give me yes or no in the comment box, guys. Have you understood this or not? Excellent, Sumit. Excellent, Prajapat. Okay. Sir, आपके combined session बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Wish you both a beautiful cover. Thank you, Sumit. हमको खुद बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार. एक साथ सेशन लेना हमको खुद बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एक बार अगर सबके सब चैंपियंस कमांडो इस क्वेश्चन को समझ गए तो कमेंट में कुछ भी चाहे दिल बना के यस लिख के मेरे को बता दो that you have understood this, so I can move to the second question, and after the third question Dheeraj will be continuing with 7 to 8 questions, then I am again coming back. Just put me on the comment box, guys. Have you understood this or not? Yes. Come on. And Dheeraj sir, if you are listening my voice, please put हम दोनों का टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एक बार अगर दे देना अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो. Okay. Now question number 2, and this is MSQ. This is MSQ, guys. There is a cantilever. दिख रहा है क्या? थोड़ा सा इसको धर लाऊं. थोड़ा सा बड़ा करूं, चलो अब दिख रहा होगा. Yes, 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 yes. So here it is fixed support, here it is fixed support, here it is a P, length is 3a, length is 2a, EI is constant for the whole structure. EI is constant. This is a MSQ, and according to options we have to select the correct one. MSQ, guys. All questions in this series will be gate level. Otherwise, I take many sessions of ISRO on app or on YouTube where in 20 questions I solve 20 questions 20 minutes, but not here. Okay, here 5 questions will be equivalent to all those 20 questions, guys. Okay, and every day, guys, at 5:30 p.m. Not every day, but at app, whenever I have free sessions, that will be at 5:30 p.m. Okay, okay. Now let me make the free body diagram of this part. This is P here. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. This is 3A here. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. So this row, it wants to go downward, so it is providing reaction upward. It is providing reaction upward. Okay, then here, this is A, this is B, this is C. If reaction here is upward, then here reaction will be downward. Guys, if I'm providing reaction downward of my weight on the floor, then floor is applying reaction upward to me, na? Okay, okay. If I am applying load downward, then reaction by flow to me is upward, na? So if that reaction, if it is go down, guys, I don't know how many of you will able to cope up with me or believe me. Whenever I want to draw free body diagram, this I told in paid class also. The thing that I do is I assume that I am that part. So when I assume that I am this part and somebody is applying a P load, so from there, a upward push will be to me like this. I assume that I am that part. Now suppose I am this part now, and from here load is coming. So I am, if Abhinanegi is this, then due to this P load, whatever the reaction is coming, that is to me downward like this. And they both are jointed. They both are jointed. If this is going like this, the reflection of both hands are same, na? If this is going like this, if this is going like this, the deflection of both the hands are same, na? Deflection of right hand and left hand both are same, na? Okay. So deflection of right hand and deflection of left hand both are same. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Okay. So here the deflection will be here. Force P minus R L cube 3A whole cube by 3EI. And here the deflection will be RL cube PL cube. L is 2A. This is 3A whole cube. 2A whole cube PL cube by 3EI. Not wasting time in calculations. Not wasting time in calculations. R will be from here. R will be from here 27P by 35. R will be from here 27P by 35. 27P by 35. 2. So D is correct. That means C is wrong. D is correct. That means C is wrong. Okay, okay, okay. Understood? Understood. Now, moving further. Now, what is asked? Deflection at the roller support B would be. So, what is? Either you put R here or R here. You will get the reaction. Deflection of roller support delta B. Both are equal now. Either you put here or here. Suppose here I put R is equal to 27P by 35. Here I am putting into 2A cube divided by 3EI. Divided by 3EI. So from here, deflection at B point 72PA cube by 3EI you are giving B answer. So of course A will not be there. So answer will be B comma D. Give me yes or no. Have you understood this or not? Rahul, Sandeep Vlogs, Sumit, everyone understood? Understood, guys? One assignment we have already given in our Telegram groups. Civil by Vinay sir and mechanical by Dheeraj sir. Now this is the class, guys. Every question will be gate level. After this, Dheeraj sir will be taking some questions, and again, Dheeraj sir will be finishing with 7 to 8 questions, and I will be coming again. Yes, Dheeraj sir, you can come now. Keep sharing, guys. Excellent, excellent. Okay, sir. Hello,
yes.
sir.
हाँ सर.
क्वेश्चन ठीक कराए, ज्यादा आसान तो नहीं करा दिए?
नहीं सर, आप अच्छे ही क्वेश्चंस कराते हैं.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. So now I will be taking from here. We will be going for 8 questions, and after that, once again, sir will join. This is my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. This is the schedule. Sir, I have already shown you, and we will share the schedule on Telegram channel as well. So guys, this is the first question from my side. Okay. And if you see, this question is going to be from pure bending chapter, that is bending stresses in the beams. So what this question is saying, a uniform bar lying in the X direction. So we will be making that figure. Okay. So we are having a uniform bar. It is like that. And they are saying that which of the following will represent the strain tensor? It is subjected to pure bending. So my dear, you can see this is the longitudinal axis. And everybody aware that whenever you would be having this type of loading, we have this type of stress and strain distribution. So this is going to be the lengthwise. So you know, top fiber will be under compression, bottom will be under tension. So they are asking which of the following will be representing the correct strain tensor. So guys, this is a wonderful question. And this type of question we can expect in GATE examination for sure in 2 marks. And I feel everybody would be knowing this. Yes, Vineet is saying the answer to be C. Okay, Vineet. What about others? So Telegram channels of me and Abhinav sir is already available on the comment section. You can join if you have not done, because all the assignments, all the DPP will be coming on Telegram channel only. So if you want that, if you want total 500 question for free with answers, you need to join the Telegram channel for that. Yes, tell me guys. So Vineet have said the answer to be C. What about others? Okay, this is a wonderful question. I'm going to solve right now in front of you. Okay, Raj is saying the answer to be B. Okay, fine. So dear, I'm going to start it now. Everybody know that whenever we are going to find out in the derivation, we got the strain in X direction here as plus minus Y by R. This is going to be the answer. And you know that strain distribution are linear like that, only like the stress distribution. Both are similar. Okay, because we are assuming Hooke's law to be valid. So with those assumptions, stress and strain are going to be directly proportional to Y to the power 1. So linear expression we will be getting for sure. So if that is the case, my dear, this is epsilon xx. You know that whenever we are finding out the strain of lateral direction, maybe it is YY, maybe it is ZZ, for uniaxial loading, it is going to be minus mu times of epsilon xx. So it is going to be minus mu times of epsilon xx. So this is Y by R. Let us say this value is P into Y. 1 by R can be assumed as P. So my dear, if that is the case, I will be putting here P into Y. Okay. So obviously mu into P cannot be P. It will be either something else, maybe let us say Q. So if we are writing it as Q into Y. So you just feel it. Forget about plus minus right now. It will also be considered obviously. But if you see this one, here all the strains are unequal. But you know YY and ZZ should be equal. So that's why A is wrong. Here if you see the B option, there YY and ZZ are not equal. This is wrong. Here YY and ZZ are equal, but PY means epsilon xx, epsilon YY, epsilon ZZ all are equal. Which is possible? Not possible. Why? Because mu is never 1, and also this minus sign is there. So this is also wrong. So only this option is correct, where this value and this value are equal. Why? Because epsilon YY is equal to epsilon ZZ for uniaxial loading, and this epsilon xx will be different than epsilon YY and epsilon ZZ. So the answer will be D for this. I hope everybody understood this. This was a wonderful question. Factorial 0, very good. Yes, Vineet, I understood. TPM, I feel you got your mistake. The answer for this is going to be D. So guys, the schedule you have seen, everyday class may be at different time based on the availabilities of the faculties. Like mine session would be either at 11:15 p.m. in the night, or it would be on the Saturday, Sunday on the daytime. Okay. So this is the second question from SFDBMD from my side. Okay. Then after my 8 question, once again, Abhinav sir will be joining us. So this question says the shear force diagram is showing like this. This is a SFD. And you need to tell the correct BMD for this. You need to tell the correct BMD for this. You need to tell the correct BMD for this. Yes. TPM, Vineet, factorial 0. TPM, Vineet, factorial 0. Everybody, Rahul, Sumit, please tell what is the right answer. Please tell me what is the right answer. Okay, Raj, very good. Raj is saying A. Raj is saying A. What about others? Raj is saying A. What about others? We already know one thing, that there is something called as load intensity. Then we have shear force, then we have bending moment. We know that if this is x ki power n, this is x ki power n plus 1, this is x ki power n plus 2. So always power is getting increased. Here, my dear, if you see the shear force diagram between this and this point, it is a vertical line which is like y is equals to mx plus c. So you can see the equation is having x ki power 1. Why I am going in this way? Because if a student who did not study SFD BMD, he can also understand. That's why I'm going very, you can say, basic with the basic ideas. So this is a linear curve. So if this is linear, means shear force diagram is x ki power 1. It means bending moment should be x ki power 2, which should be a parabola. So you can see in this option, it is not a parabola, it is straight line. So B and D are going to be wrong options. Now we have two options available, A and C, where we have these parabolas. Okay, it's fine. With the same idea, this is a straight line with y is equals to constant, means x ki power 0. So if, my dear, shear force is x ki power 0, it should be x ki power 1. So my dear, in that way, we must have here a line with y is equals to mx plus c type, which is available here. But here we have a parabola. So my dear, that is why this is wrong and this is going to be the correct answer. This is how we do SFD BMD types of question. Very good, very good, very good. Wonderful, guys. So answer will be A for this. Moving to the next question, guys. In this question, question number 3, this is given as the shear force diagram, and they are saying which of these 3 loading diagrams can have this SFD. So tell me the right answers. Options are 3 only, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, or 1 and 3. These are the options. So I am waiting for the answers. Yes. Tell me. Vineet, TPM. Vineet, TPM, Raj, Factorial 0, Ajit, Krishna Mohan. Okay, Krishna Mohan is saying the answer to be A. Vineet. Okay, you are saying 3 only. Okay, Raj is saying D, 1 and 3. Raj is saying 1 and 3. Wonderful. So guys, when you will be making the shear force diagram for this, you know that because of this point load, we will be having a jump. We will be having a jump, and let us say this is the jump. Okay, and after that there is no load. Then the load is in opposite direction, so it will be opposite jump. So this type of diagram we will be getting in 1. So this option may be correct, this option may be correct. It is for sure that we have seen 3 only, it cannot be correct because first one is correct, and here 1 is not there, so it is also wrong. So either B or D will be the right answer. Now if you see this, everybody know this is cantilever beam. When you will be taking a section, this will be the diagram. Also, you know, here we have support reaction. So you can see this and this are the same. Only here they have shown support, here they have directly shown the reaction. Yes, they have not seen the bending moment reaction, but that is not required for SFD. So my dear, that is why that is also going to be the correct one. So answer is D. Answer is not C, not A, not B. So D is the right answer. Very good, guys. TPM, Vineet, बहुत ही बढ़िया, Factorial 0. Moving to the 4th question. After this, 4 more questions. So you can see we are going for all the types of questions. This question is from bending stress. Very good, Vineet. Very good, Ajit. This is from bending stresses. Consider the cantilever loaded as shown in the figure. This is the UDL which is acting on this beam. And they are asking what is the ratio of the maximum compressive to maximum tensile stress. It is very easy question, and without going for much calculation, you can answer it. Okay, let us see how many of you use smartly the concept of bending. Smart peoples would be giving answer like that. Hard-working people also will calculate and will give answer in 1 minute. Yes, Vineet, Ajit, TPM, Raj, Factorial 0, Syed, Okay, Sayyid said the answer is A. Okay, what about others? Sayyid said the answer is A. What about others? What about others? What about others? Okay. TPM is saying 1.5. Okay. Vineet, Ajit and Raj. Vineet, Ajit and Raj. TPM. Tell me the answer. I am waiting. Is it so difficult? Arey bhai, you know what is the formula for the maximum bending stress? Maximum bending stress is given as M upon ZNA. My dear, if you see the cantilever beam, obviously maximum bending moment we will be getting at this fixed support. So when we are talking about this, here maximum bending moment will be there. So maximum bending moment, we need not actually the value. We are going to answer about tensile and compressive. You know, because of loading is having of hogging nature, top fibers will be having the tension, bottom fiber will be having the compression. So you would be writing sigma tensile maximum by sigma compressive maximum. You also know that sigma is written as My upon INA. Okay, so you know M and INA for a section are constant. So we just need to put the value of Y, and as you are looking for maximum stress, we are looking for maximum Y. So you know, for a triangle, here will be the neutral axis, which will be H by 3 from here and 2H by 3 from here. Yes or not? So my dear, if that is the case, sigma can be directly proportional to Y max. So my dear, we just need to put it. Sigma T max will be Y sigma tensile. Tensile is coming on top fiber. So it is going to be Y top divided by Y bottom. Okay. So you just need to put the Y of top fiber, Y of bottom fiber. You would be saying it is going to be for top fiber as H by 3, for bottom fiber as 2H by 3. So my dear, answer will be 1 by 2 or 2 by 1, depending on you are writing for top and bottom, bottom or top. So if you see the option, only one option is matching with that. B is the correct answer. So factorial 0, TPM, Vineet, Sayyad, Ajit, everyone, B is the correct answer. Raj, are you getting it or not? So B would be the right answer, guys. And I'm happy to see your response. Very good, guys. 4 questions are over from my side. Now I'm moving to the 5th question. For my side, 3 more questions will be there. Then once again, Abhinav sir would be coming with his wonderful questions. And as you know, Abhinav sir is always coming with MSQs, all varieties of questions. So you will see the taste of that as well. So tell me the answer for this. If the T section cross section shown in the given figure has bending stresses of 30 MPa in the top fiber, they are saying in the top fiber 30 MPa is the stress. Then what is the stress in the bottom fiber? And they have given you this is the centroid, and they have also mentioned the distances. You can see the total distance is 110. This distance is 30. This distance is 10. This is 10. This is 120. You need to find out the stress in the bottom fiber. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Yes. Ajit, Raj, TPM, Vineet, factorial 0, Sayyad. Tell me, and do like and share the session, guys. Okay, TPM said minus 80. It would be a wonderful question if this option is plus 80. If this option is plus 80, it will be a wonderful question. Okay. So TPM is saying minus 80. What about others? C or D? Because अभी तक इतना idea तो सभी को लग गया होगा कि C या D में से ही है answer. So C or D, tell me. Raj. Okay, Manoranjan is saying C. Okay. Sukeshani is saying D. Okay. So dear, you know that sigma is directly proportional to Y, that is for sure. We have just seen. And they are saying the bottom fiber, top fiber they have given. So sigma top by sigma bottom will be Y top by Y bottom. Y is the distance from the neutral fiber or neutral axis. So they have given this is the neutral axis passing from centroid. So this distance is 30, this distance will be 80. So you can write it as 30 by 80. And actually, if you see the right connection, here minus sign is coming if you are going for the ratio. But we are not writing minus sign as we are already knowing about the directions. So sigma tensile by sigma, sigma top by sigma bottom. From here, sigma bottom will be coming 18 magnitude. Now you need to see the nature, whether it is tensile or compressive. So you know that this is the top fiber, this is the bottom fiber. And you can see they have mentioned that top fiber is having 30 MPa. So my dear, if top fiber is having the 30 MPa, you need to tell the bottom fiber. So if here it is positive, here it must be negative. So answer is minus 80. C would be the right answer. Okay, Papa ka ghoda is also there. Late ho gaye aaj aap. Good evening. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. From the Mohr circle. So you know every variety we are covering. We have seen 2 questions from bending. Okay. Sir have already told you 1 question from all the types of stresses like normal, shear, bending. Then we have seen 2 questions on SFD, BMD. This is from Mohr circle. Okay. So the question is, a Mohr circle is drawn for a body subjected to a tensile stress Fx, Fy mutually perpendicular. Fx is more than Fy. Which of the following statement in this regard is not correct? Not correct. Yes. Wonderful, Ajit. Sayyad, Vinay, very good. What would be the answer? Normal stress on plane 45 degree to Fx is equals to. Shear stress on a plane 45 degree to Fx is equals to. Maximum normal stress is equals to. Then maximum shear stress is equals to. Out of these 4, which one is not correct? Which one is not correct? So you know they have given us stress like this. Fx. Like this. Fy. And they said Fx more than Fy. So when you will be plotting the Mohr circle for this case, this will be the Mohr circle. This is Fx, Fy. Okay. And this is going to be the center, which is Fx plus Fy by 2. And this will be the radius. And you must be aware, here we have normal stress, here we have shear stress. So tell me what would be the answer. They are asking which of the following statement is not correct. So my dear, first of all, normal stress on a plane at 45 degree to the Fx. You know, if a plane is making 45 degree to the plane of Fx, Fx is X phase. And you know the state of stress on X phase is denoted here, that is Fx, 0. And the state of stress on the Y phase is denoted here, that is Fy, 0. Yes. So they are saying for 45 degree. In Mohr circle, angle is double. So we will be going to the 90 degree. So what is the normal stress on this? What is the coordinate of X here? Fx plus Fy by 2. So you can see Fx plus Fy by 2. It means this is correct. They are asking which is not correct. Shear stress on a plane 45 degree. Shear stress, you know, this radius is. So what is the radius for this? Obviously, radius is going to be Fx minus Fy by 2 because diameter is Fx minus Fy. So obviously, Fx minus Fy by 2 is radius, that is shear stress. Because you know tau max is nothing but the radius of Mohr circle. So that is also correct. Then maximum normal stress is Fx. Yes, it is. Because this is the principal stress sigma 1. This is the principal stress of sigma 2. Because 2 extreme point of the Mohr circle where it cuts on the x-axis are giving you the principal planes. So that is why this is also correct. So this is wrong because maximum shear stress is not equals to Fx plus Fy by 2. So that is why, my dear, this is the wrong statement. So this is going to be the answer. If it would be, if note nahi hota agar yahan par, if note is not there, it will be MSQ and A, B, C would be correct. Very good, Sayyad, Vinay, Raj, Vineet. Wonderful, guys. Moving to question number 7. This is the second last question from my side. Just solve it, guys. Till then, I will inform Abhinav sir that my questions are about 2 hours so that he would be ready for his question.
Ready hu, main ready hu.
Okay. So sir is also ready. So this is the second last question from my side, guys. Yes, Vineet. That you can say, but as I said, I am telling for a student who may not be aware of all the properties of Mohr circle. Okay, a general student who just know basic idea of form. So a solid shaft of diameter d is replaced by a hollow shaft of the same material and length. Material is same, length is same. The outside diameter of hollow shaft is 2d by root 3, while the inside is d by root 3. What is the ratio of torsional stiffness? You must be aware of that. Torsional stiffness is given as Gj by L. Okay, Gj by L is the torsional stiffness. So my dear, they have said the same material and same length. So if you need to find out something, that is the ratio of L. So they are saying the ratio of torsional stiffness of hollow to solid. So Kt for hollow, Kt for solid, J of hollow, J of solid, because L and G are same. J of hollow is going to be pi by 32. You know that d naught ki power 4 minus di ki power 4. And J of solid is pi by 32 d ki power 4. So d4 will get cancelled out. You just need to put the other values and get the answer. Wonderful, guys. So solve this question. Question number 7 from my side. After that, last one question is left from my side. Solve it, guys. Solve it, solve it, solve it. 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 3 or 2. 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 3 or 2. What would be the answer? Okay, so everybody is saying the answer to be D. So when you will be putting this values, this is 2d by root 3. What will be the square of 2 by root 3? It will be 4 by 3. And once again, square will be 16 by 9. So I feel when you will be solving this ratio, hollow by solid, what you will be getting d by 4, d square, sorry, d ki power 4 will get cancelled out. Pi by 32 will also be cancelled out. So you would be getting here, it is 2 ki power 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 by 9 minus 1 by 9 divided by 1. Yes or no? So I feel you would be getting 15 by 9. Is it like that? And 15 by 9 means 5 by 3. C would be the answer, guys. C would be the answer. Manoranjan. Arey bhai, 16 by 9 minus 1 by 9 will be 15 by 9. So 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Answer is 5 by 3. Yes. Got your mistake. C आएगा बिल्कुल. Square consider नहीं किया. C आएगा. Wonderful. Sayyad, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Moving to the last question, guys. Moving to the last question. This is from simple stresses and strain. So we have covered nearly all the topic. This is a famous question. You can get directly in the exam. This is for a taper bar. They are saying a tension bar is found to taper uniformly from a diameter d minus a to d plus a. So here diameter is d minus a. Here diameter is d plus a. If mean diameter is used for calculation of Young's modulus, the percentage error involved is. So they are finding out the Young's modulus. You know that whenever we are having the prismatic bar, then delta is coming out to be 4PL upon pi E D1 D2. And whenever we have taper bar, delta is coming out to be 4PL pi E. I have written opposite, I feel. This is D square, this is D1 D2. Okay. So my dear, whenever you will be going for calculation, this is for prismatic, this is for taper. Real bar is taper, but they are calculating the things assuming it to be prismatic. So there will be some error. And they are asking the percentage error. So you can write delta actual minus delta theoretical by delta actual into 100. So you would be writing 4PL pi E D1 D2 minus 4PL pi E. They have taken this prismatic bar. For this D will be D average. What is average? It is D minus A plus D plus A divided by 2. So you will be getting D only. So it is nothing but 4 pi E. This is pi E D square divided by 4PL upon pi E D1 D2. So you know 4PL pi E, 4PL pi E, 4PL pi E will get cancelled out. And you would be getting 1 by D minus A, D plus A. And as it is percentage, multiply by 100. Minus 1 by D square. Divide by 1 minus into D plus A. Into 100. You need to find out this value, you will get the answer. I have made it very easy for you now. Just solve it and get the answer. Yes, TPM. So Papa Kagoda is saying the answer is C. Vinit Shah is also saying the answer to be C. सोच लो एक बार A या C. रट्टा तो नहीं मार रखा है. This question is of gate level. Maybe it came once in ESC, but it can repeat in gate. Some questions are good, which we can feel that it can come in gate and ESC both. So TPM is saying the answer is A, and I feel 10A by D ka whole square will be the right answer. A is the right answer. Vineet, Papa Ka Goda, Raj. Everybody has seen that? Yes, the answer is A. So I am handing over the session out to Abhinav sir. Abhinav sir will be going for the other questions because I already have a class at 9:30. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, guys, 2 questions I have already done. This and this MSQ. Let us move to the next question, guys. Beautiful question, guys. One of my favorite questions in strength of materials. That there is a circular cross section of any beam. In that circular cross section, 2 things are there. Okay. One is V shear force and one is green torque. Yellow shear force V and green torque T. Now there are 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. That beam has a circular cross section and it is subjected to a shear force and a green torque. Then at what point the maximum shear stress will be acting? Now, let me make it there only to make it more reasonable. Due to shear force, that V, yellow one, okay, the shear stress comes like this, tau is equal to SAY bar plus IB, SAY bar plus IB. So it will be like this, 0 at top and bottom and maximum neutral axis. This is 4 by 3 tau average. Okay, and direction of them will be downward because V is downward. Correct? Correct. And due to green torque, if I represent the shear stress, then it will be like this by torsional formula, like this. Okay, that will be at 4 point and that will be at 3 point. Okay, it is like this, na? So from 4 it is going downward and torque is like this. From 4 it is going downward and from 3 it is again coming upward. Okay, so 4 downward and 3 it is upward. Now if I make it for 1, this is linear variation, na? Torsional formula. Now if I make it for 1 and 2, okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so at 1 it is going like this, tangential, like this, and 2 it is coming like this. I hope you understood. Okay, at 1 it is going like this. So guys, the maximum will be not at 1 and 2, because at 1 and 2, yes, torsion is maximum, but due to this V shear force is 0. So 1 and 2 will be out here. 1 will be out and 2 will be out because yellow wala 0 hai. Now 3 and 4, guys, the due to shear force it is also maximum and due to torque also it is maximum. But at 4 point, due to shear force it is downward and due to torque also it is downward. But at 3 point, due to shear force it is downward, but due to torque it is upward, so they are cancelling each other. So maximum shear will be at 4 point. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Have you understood this or not? Have you understood this beautiful question? Yes or not, guys? Excellent. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Yes, TPM. Yes, Papa. Rajas. Nice names. Now this is A. This is A. So symmetrical. Length is L1 and that length is 2L1. What is the forces in shorter bars and in longer bars? Let in shorter bar the force will be P1. So due to symmetry, this will also be P1 because movement at that point will be 0. So P1 into A and P1 into A has to be balanced. And here it is P2. Here it is P2. Okay, so the deflection has to be same because it is still horizontal. Okay, it is going here. So deflection in both will be same. So now one equation will be P downward is equal to upward forces 2P1 plus P2. One is this, and delta of this will be same P1 into L1 upon AE is equal to here P2 into 2L1 by AE. Let me check. A and E both are same, na? The rigid bar is supported by 3 doors of equal diameter and material. So AE will be same. So from here L1 L will cancel. P1 is equal to 2P2. P1 is equal to 2P2. Let me put it here. So it is 2P2. So 2 into 2P2, 4P2, 5P2. P is equal to 5P2. P2 is equal to P by 5. P by 5 is 0.2P. So P2 is 0.2P. So P1 is 0.4P. So in shorter bars, it is 0.4P, and in longer bars, it is 0.2P. Option number A. Have you understood? Have you understood? Any doubt you can ask me, guys? Any doubt you can ask me? Yes, yes, yes. And guys, I'm again saying rank up series is for civil and mechanical both. Okay, every day the classes of civil and mechanical will be there, guys. Okay, and we'll be sending you the assignments in the Telegram. Already, so one assignment we have told short, we have sent in the Telegrams. One more assignment, sir, will be sending in the evening. Now, this is again a beautiful question, guys. Uniformly varying torque. Guys, you might have been listened UDL. Okay, uniform distributed load. UVL. Okay, UVL. Okay. Guys, now I'm talking. Might be UDM, uniformly distributed movement also. Now I'm going one step forward. Uniformly varying torque, not UDT, uniformly distributed torque. Uniformly varying torque. I'm going one step forward. Uniformly varying torque. Okay. With instance, this is A, this is B. The torque is like this now. The torque is like this now. The torque is like this now. 0 at A and T naught here. T naught kilonewton meter per meter at B. Then what are the reactions at A and B? A and B are fixed supports. So they will be providing reactions. So what are the reactions? Okay, DP Gaming, please again see it again after the class, and you can ask me in my Telegram group. If the doubt is more, we can connect over a Google Meet. Okay, guys, for indeterminate bar concept, from indeterminate bar concept, if here is a torque T, this distance is A, this distance is B, then it is TB upon A plus B. This is TA upon A plus B. This can be done by total phi AB is equal to 0 and all that. Okay, similarly, this can be written like this. Okay, this is A, this is B, and the total torque, like the total load is the area under the loading curve. The total load in UDL or UVL is area under the loading diagram, whether it is UDL, UVL, or parabolic load or sine load, anything. Similarly, the total torque is area under torque. So this length is L. Okay. So the total is half base into height. So T naught L by 2, that will be acting at center of mass. T naught L by 2, that will be acting at center of mass. Center of mass from here, the shorter side, it will be 2L by 3. And here it will be L by 3. Now applying this indeterminate bar formula, this is T into that B upon A plus B. And this reaction is T into A upon A plus B. Same thing happened in this also, na yaar. Same thing, that this is P, this is A, this is B. So this is PB upon A plus B, and this is PA upon A plus B. Same here as well. So torque at A is equal to T naught into L by 2 into that distance L by 3 upon total L. So this is TA is equal to T naught L by 6, and here the TB is equal to T naught L by 2 into this distance 2L by 3 by L. So TB is equal to 2 cancel T naught L by 3. Of course, this is T naught L by 6, this is T naught L by 3. More torque is towards right hand side. more torque is towards right hand side, so their reaction is also bigger. Now guys, I am giving you assignment. You can ask me in my Telegram group. तुम पूछते ही नहीं हो Telegram पर. You ask me in Telegram, I'll make the solution of my hand and send the photo. What is the assignment I am giving you in this question? We have find the reaction like you have seen SFD, like you have seen BMD. I have drawn AFD also. Draw the torsional movement diagram for this. Leave us marker गिर गया. Leave assignment यार. Leave assignment. Let us we ourselves make it here. हम खुद बनाते हैं. T torsional movement diagram. Like you have seen SFD, BMD, we have made na. I am making the torsional movement diagram. कहाँ गया? Copy, paste. Ink is there, so let me delete the ink. Okay. Okay. Draw TMD. Draw TMD. Torsion movement diagram. Like you have listened, like SFD, BMD, axial force diagram. Here it is torsional movement diagram. Okay. What is torsional movement diagram? If someone is asking. If someone is asking. Guys, what is shear force diagram? Representing shear force at various locations. What is BMD? Representing bending moment at various locations. What is AFD? Representing axial force at various reactions at various locations in a bar. What is torsional movement diagram? Representing torque at various sections in a shaft. So this length is L and torque is like this. Torque is like this. Here it is 0 and here it is T0 kilonewton meter per meter. Okay, and this reaction was coming how much? This reaction was coming how much? T0 L by 6. That is capital. So let me write it small also. T0 L by 6. And here it is T0 L by 3. Okay, light. Similarly like SFD, BMD, FD. Suppose at X distance from here, at this section XX, I want to write torque at XX section. Okay. So one torque is like this. From right hand thumb rule, curl the fingers, it is towards inside. That is positive. So that is positive. Plus T0 L by 6. Now curl the right hand thumb rule. Curl the fingers around this blue. This is going outside. So this is minus. That is minus. This blue one is minus. So at this, what is this height of torque here? T0 change in L length. So in one length changes T0 by L. So in X length, the change is T0 by L into X. Total changes from 0 to T0. Total change is T0. In how much length? L length. So in 1 unit, the change is T0 by L. So in X length is T0 L by X. So what is shear force? Summation from left or right? What is bending moment? Summation movement from left or right. So what is torque? Summation of torques from left or right. So left we are seeing. So this is done. Now this, curl the fingers, thumb is going outside. So minus, how much is this? Area minus half base X into height. T0 X by L. So torque at XX is equal to T0 L by 6 minus T0 X square by 2L. So this is a parabolic variation at 0. At X is equal to 0. This is T0 L by 6. At X is equal to L, if you put. So T0 L by 6 minus T0, put X is equal to L. T0 L square by 2L. That is T0 L by 2. So that will be, I guess, 6 LCM. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So minus T0 L by 3. So when you draw this, this will be, here it is T0 L by 6. There it is T0 L by 3. Like this. This is the torsional movement diagram. Okay, please check it is like this or this. You can find out this value. If this is more, this 0 is at more than X is equal to L by 2. This, otherwise it will be like this. Otherwise from double differentiation also we can check the concavity and convexity. Give me yes or no. Have you understood? Okay. Torsional movement diagram. Now moving forward. This question, the bending moment at E. What is the bending moment at E? This sir has done many questions. So let me go here. The maximum tensile stress in the beam would be, first of all, make the BMD for this. This is the figure and this is the cross section. Okay, this is figure 1, this is figure 2. I is given, loading is given, tensile stress is asked. First of all, the bending moment diagram will be like this. Please check. This will be 0.9 kilonewton meter. Symmetry. This is 0.9 kilonewton meter. This is hogging. So hogging means tensile is at top. Tensile is at top. So maximum tensile stress is asked. Sigma max is equal to M by I into Y max. So M is 0.9. Units you can change yourself. I is given 3 into 10 ki power 6. Unit, change everything in SI unit. Answer also you'll get in SI unit. Okay. So M by I into Y max. Now in tension, Y max is this, na, top side. That is 70. Proper units and you get the answer. Proper units and you get the answer. Have you got it, guys? Everyone, please tell me. Have you understood, my champions? Have you understood? Bol do yaar. Tell me, please. Any doubt? Okay. Now this is again a MSQ. And from this MSQ, first of all, this is totally wrong because total deflection has to be 0. A and B are fixed. So total deflection has to be 0. Okay. Total deflection has to be 0. Now reaction any side you can take. If my answer is coming negative, my reactions will be wrong. RA and let it be RB. So RA plus RB to left hand side for equilibrium should be 13.6 plus 27.2. Now delta AB, delta AC plus delta CD plus delta DB is equal to 0. For delta AC, cut a section here. See from left, RA going away. So RA into length 100 by A. For delta CD, cut a section here. See from left, RA going away. So plus minus 13.6 with proper units into length 200 by A. Plus cut a section here. See from right, RB coming inside. So length is 300 by A is equal to 0. So there are two equations, 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, find RA and RB, whatever values you are getting. Okay, find RA and B and stress at AC region. Stress at AC is equal to RA upon area. And area is given kya? Area is 1 mm square. Can you do it now? Can you do it now? Please tell me. Please tell me, guys. I'm not solving because concept is more important. Na? Have you understood? Have you understood? Any doubt? Papa. Horse by horse. Shreya Patel, TPM. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Now this question. Guys. Come on. Consider the following components. What is fleeced beam? A composite beam of metal and wood. Generally, that metal is steel. Is under the action of transverse load. Statements are written. The radius of curvature will be different. Guys, composite means though both beams are acting together. So when the load is applied, both beams will be acting together. So it will not be like this, that one of the part is like this and the other part is like this. Both are jointed. So both are jointed. That means radius of curvature will be same. Radius of curvature will be same. Now the maximum bending stress will be, guys, strain. Suppose this is steel and in between this is wood. Okay. Now strain diagram is always linear. From the assumption, plane section remains plane after bending. Plane section before bending remains plane after bending. Now when I'm making the stress diagram, so in steel the stress will be more because Young's modulus is more, and in wood, the green is wood, strain will be lesser. Guys, here the strain is epsilon, na. So in wood, the stress will be, the sigma wood will be strain, the same strain into Young's modulus of steel. Stress in steel will be strain into Young's modulus of steel, and stress in wood will be strain here into Young's modulus of wood. So Young's modulus of steel is around 10 to 20 times more than of wood. So it will be more. Okay. So the maximum bending stress will be depending upon the modulus of elasticity of the material. So 2 and 4 is correct. That is D option. 2 and 4 is correct. That is D option. Understood? Okay. Have you enjoyed the session, guys? Tell me. Now at 10 p.m. me and Richa ma'am will be coming for civil engineering students. Can we score top 1000 rank? Not 100, guys. This is the month of September. We are always, month of October. We are always realistic. Can we score a rank less than 1000? Being on the realistic side, guys. Okay, that we'll tell you at 10 p.m. tonight. Okay, this is the complete schedule, guys. Now tomorrow environment will be there. Then soil mechanics I'll be taking 8:30 p.m. My sessions will be at 8:30 p.m. guys. Then fluid mechanics, highway engineering and all. Similarly here, industrial engineering will be tomorrow at 5 p.m. by Suraj sir. Then HMT, then fluid mechanics and Toman like this. Okay, this complete schedule is already available in community post as well. Guys, please, this is the Telegram group, guys. More than 5,000 students have already joined. And one is mechanical by Dheeraj sir as well. Okay. One is mechanical by Dheeraj sir as well. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed the session, guys. Please do the assignment that we have posted in our Telegram groups as well. Thank you. Take care. How many questions of grade exam in some subject? Usually in civil it is around 5 to 6 marks, and mechanical it is 7 to 8 marks. But what is this, that whether it is coming of 0 marks, still it is very important, because structural analysis, RCC steel of civil will be related to SOM only. Similarly for mechanical production and machine design completely, and some part of production will be related on SOM. So this is the chabi of entering into the various subjects, especially the subjects relating to structures. Thank you, guys. Take care. Take care, guys. Thank you.